Add beautiful foil details to wearables, cards, and more with the Deco Foil Hot Melt Adhesive by ThermOWeb. Each package comes with 5 easy-to-use adhesive sheets that measure 5.5 inches by 12 inches. Hot Melt Adhesive Sheets were designed to work specifically with Deco Foil Transfer Sheets, which come in a wide range of colors and designs. To use the Hot Melt Adhesive Sheets, start by cutting out a design. When using a punch, add a piece of cardstock for a flawless cut. Next, place the design onto a piece of fabric with the rough adhesive side facing down. Set your iron to the medium setting and allow it to warm up. Cover the design with parchment paper and place and hold your iron for 30 seconds. Remove the parchment paper and allow the adhesive to cool. Once it's cool, remove the liner. Cut a piece of foil slightly larger than the design and place it on top with the color side facing up and cover it with parchment paper. Slowly iron with pressure for 30 seconds. Remove the parchment paper and let it cool. Once it's completely cool, peel the foil away from the design. You'll be left with a lovely foil design that's also washable. If you love the look of foil, you can now add it to fabric and paper projects with the Deco Foil Hot Melt Adhesive by ThermOWeb.